We are go out. It's our Friday afternoon. Happy Friday, happy weekends to all of us. So now we go out. Ayun. Di ko barbecue. Di ko barbecue daw. Di ko barbecue. Okay? Oh, you see?
Hello, how are you? Say hi, Sisi. Luli, hello, how are you? How are you? Oh. Did you see? There is. Okay. Say thank you.
Okay, ayan si Sisi. Guli, ikaw, hello. Oh, so, ayun yung mami niya. Yun yung car. Oh, we just go out like a picnic. Oh, there is swimming pool daw doon. And make barbecue. So, overtime. Not overtime as in because we just go home to sleep here. Okay? So, thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything that what we have. O, ayun na si Madam Kabisi.
بشكل يعني مو فرع عادي.
Ibalik ko muna to. Ibabalik. Tingnan mo pa naman yung slipper ko kasi malaki. Oh, tingnan mo yung slipper ko. Ang laki-laki kasi. Oh, thank you again. Thank you for watching. And bye.
تمرين هيك زين. حجي